Hello everyone. Welcome back to our tech tutorials. Whenever you suspect any mobile app of spying on your private data, you need to take two emergency measures. If this is your first visit, please subscribe to this channel to get notified about our new updates. Number 1 measure is to uninstall and remove suspicious app immediately from your phone. Secondly, you need to disconnect the app to stop sharing your data with the app. To do so, open your Gmail app. Tap on your profile picture at the top right corner, then tap on Google account. Navigate to Security, and scroll down to your connections to third-party apps and services. You can now see all the apps that are accessing your data. Tap More to see all connected apps and services. Select the app that you are suspecting, and then tap on Delete all connections, then tap on Confirm. Now you successfully stop the app from accessing your data. We hope you enjoy this beautiful video. Please like and share it for others to benefit.